Life breaks us, sometimes slowly, sometimes all at once. And when it does, it feels like everything inside you is shattered. But here's the truth: pain isn't the end, it's the beginning of power. And today, I'll show you how to turn that brokenness into unstoppable strength. Part 1: The Mindset Shift. When you feel broken, your first thought is often, why me? Why now? But powerful minds ask a different question: what can this teach me? Every failure, betrayal, heartbreak, is raw material, not for despair, but for building resilience. What's been your hardest lesson that shaped you? Failure, rejection, betrayal, or loss? Think about it for a moment. Your answer matters more than you realize. Because acknowledging pain is the first step to transforming it. If you've ever felt broken, tap like, because that means you're ready to rise. Part 2: Own your pain. Most people hide pain. They run from it, numb it, distract themselves. But the unstoppable, they own it. They say, I am hurt, I am broken, and I will use this as fuel. Pain becomes a compass, not a chain. What's harder for you? Facing emotional pain, facing fear of failure, or letting go of the past? Notice how your mind reacts to this question. That reaction is where your transformation starts. Part 3: Build the resilience muscle. Strength isn't born, it's forged. Resilience is like a muscle. The more you endure, the stronger you get. Every time life hits you, and you stand back up, you gain a tiny fraction of unstoppable power. Keep stacking those fractions, and soon, nothing can stop you. Comment below. What's one thing life threw at you recently that you overcame? Your story could inspire someone watching right now. Part 4: Detach from outcomes. Pain often comes from attachment to results, people, or expectations. When you detach from what should happen, you free yourself to act, regardless of fear. Powerful people don't wait for permission. They move, adapt, and dominate, even when broken. Part 5: The dark fuel of pain. Anger, betrayal, humiliation, heartbreak. Most people let these feelings destroy them. The unstoppable, they convert them into action. They don't plot revenge, they plot growth. They don't brood over loss, they strategize their rise. Part 6: Build the daily rituals. Pain without action is wasted energy. Daily rituals, even small ones, compound. Morning reflection, journaling, exercise, meditation, learning. These tiny victories build unstoppable momentum. Which ritual gives you the most energy? Exercise, journaling, learning, or meditation? Whatever your choice, consistency is what transforms brokenness into unshakable strength. Part 7: Surround yourself with shadows that fuel you. Not everyone can walk with you on your journey. Some people will try to weigh you down. Unstoppable people protect their energy. They spend time with those who elevate them, not those who remind them of pain, fear, or doubt. Who fuels your rise? Tag them in the comments, and thank them for helping you become unstoppable. Part 8: The Mindset of the Unstoppable. The unstoppable are not born unbreakable. They are forged in darkness. They know, pain is temporary. Growth is permanent. Fear is a test. Brokenness is fuel. Ask yourself, will you let life break you, or will you become unstoppable because of it? Subscribe to Shadows Rise if you're ready to rise, even when broken. Tap like if you feel your power waking up. Comment your answer to the last question, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. This is Shadows Rise, where pain becomes power, and brokenness becomes unstoppable strength.